All right, guys, so I'm gonna keep this video short, sweet, to the point. We got a new place of living, we got a new apartment for the business, and I'm just blessed. I really don't have much to say in this video. I'm gonna show you guys around, show you exactly what we got. Very grateful. I mean, I can't be grateful enough. There's so many things to be grateful for, and right now we're just blessed. I'm blessed to have Rudy behind the camera, my brother, the entire team. Obviously, you know, we got the car. This you've already seen, but it's just for everyone that calls bullshit or calls cap. We're gonna go check out the apartment in a sec. So I'm gonna show you guys around there, and then what we're also gonna do is I'm gonna show you a lot of the amenities that come with this building that I just moved into, so you guys can see kind of what it's gonna look like living day to day, where we could be working and whatnot, because things change day to day. So we'll take a little stroll over here. Mind you guys, I'm intentionally not gonna make this video glamorous. I purposely didn't clean the apartment. I don't wanna make it so guru and so bullshit. I want you guys to see raw reality of kind of what it's like. So we're gonna take you guys upstairs. All right, guys, come on in. Welcome to the dungeon. All right, guys, so nice and simple. So we can start over here with just the main room. This is kind of our living room in a way. You can think of this just as our living room. Like I said, it's a mess right now. Not everything's even fully done. You can see we got nice little island over here, got the fridge, nice cabinet set and whatnot. We got a TV back here. We just moved in this brand new smart board, which this is gonna be sick for content, things of that nature that we do, kind of like the video you're watching right now. Just got a new couch, set that up, everything else, little stands, blah, blah, blah. You guys can see it's nice and simple. It's here for functionality, and it's here because we are never not working. We're using this as a big work from home type place because we had an office. Things were kind of weird with that. Not a big fan of where I was, so I wanted to switch things up. This is gonna be my bedroom, so I still gotta get my mattress on here. Have my laptop there from work before. Clothes are still a little bit of a mess. Coming in here, nice walk-in closet. Got my clothes laid up. Again, things are a little bit messy, so make do, make do. In here, bathroom, simple, clean. In here, we got the bathroom. You can see, nice and simple, clean. It's nothing crazy, guys. A couple more rooms we can go in there so you guys can see kind of what we're dealing with in here. As I said, everything's a mess, and I make this video so you guys can see raw reality and not what everyone's gonna fucking pipe up to you on social media. So this is what it looks like. You can see we got another bathroom in here, simple enough to walk through. In here, second bedroom. This is gonna be my brother's room, place to sleep. Another bigger walk-in closet over here. And then obviously we have washer, dryer, all that good stuff. That's really it, guys. This is a place to work and it's a place to sleep. The majority of the day is either spent working in here or it's spent outside there, which is really what I want to show you because that's where all the fun things are to do while you're here. So yeah, really the amenities are kind of the best part of what we get here. So I'll show you a little bit of what's there so you guys kind of know what we're working with here as well. We got the guys with us too. Check out some of the amenities. There's typically at any given time in here, 7 to 8 people at once. I would say at fucking minimum. There's always people in and out because again, it's used as a business and it's a place of work. We shoot content in here, we make calls in here, we do Zooms in here. The whole business gets run out of here. And if that's really what's appealing to you guys, the fact that you can work remote and make money online, well, that's the real benefit of our company. We never even have to fucking leave. So we're on a fucking elevator. I didn't have one in my house, so we're in the lobby. Show them the lobby. In case anyone thinks they're breaking in, you need to fucking get keyed in. So unless I key you in, don't even fucking think about it. And if you do, we have a psychotic neighbor that will fuck you up. This is the outside area. Down there is where a lot of the amenities are. So we'll show you kind of what comes with the building that we're in. So come on. All right, got a nice simple ping pong set right here. Come here, chill for a little bit, play some ping pong, little spike ball net on the turf area, tic-tac-toe and whatnot. Over here, nice little fire pit. You can just kick back, chill. Simple on a night where you just want to come here, chill, talk about the business, work a little bit, and kind of manage things and how we operate. So some nights we'll come out here, we'll just hang out. To the right of us, we actually just did this last night, thanks to Mr. Mike. So last night we were here, Mikey chefed it up for us, so had some steaks on the grill. Come on, come after me. Come on, Mike. This room, I love. I don't know if you guys were able to see before, but if we come over here, you guys can peek and see it. We also have a really nice pool out here. So out here, we got a nice little pool too. So we can come out here, hang out, nice summer days in Jersey. We could just chill a little bit, dip in the pool. We just did that earlier today. Already come back in. Speaking of pool, in this room, which I love, this is actually my favorite room in this entire building. We got a nice area over here to shoot pool. So you could just come down here, set the ball up, shoot a little bit of pool. We hang out with the guys here sometimes, kick back, watch a little bit of TV. Then we got a nice big desk over here. So if we want to work, we could just lounge here, set up, same thing, couch, whatnot. Little kind of bar area type gig over there. If we want to have a little kickback, we can invite people over and get it done over there. Then the gym, come on this way. These are some sick office spaces, come on in. In here, these are private too, so if I have to take a Zoom and I don't wanna worry about being bothered by someone or people are in the room and we're busy, we got these beautiful office spaces in here too, where we can literally just come in. I can take my meeting if I want to, so you can show them this. Filtered water is a must. So we got that. Got the Fiji rocking it today. In here, same type of gig. Another nice private room. So if we ever need to take meetings, we can just go in there and chill. Elevator to take you back to the room. And then in here, we have my real favorite place because this is something that I do every single day and this is an absolute necessity. So in here, this is another one of my absolute favorite rooms because this is something that you have to do every day, whether you're an entrepreneur, whether you're, I don't give a shit what you do. You gotta hit the gym every single day, whether you're simply going for a walk, whether you're actually going out and lifting weights, do something to get physically active every day. For me, this is a perfect setup. Row machine, lat pull down, pull-ups, dips. You could do a bunch of cable work over there. They got dumbbells, basically as heavy as I need them. A lot of really nice machines over here. Also some cardio equipment. It's pretty much everything that you need to get a great workout in. The one thing I wish they had was some better leg machines. So stuck doing some more free weight work there, but everything else is beautiful. So we can kind of do a little tour through here, walk around. The amenities are clean. I mean, at the end of the day, I always say this, it's all about utility. It's all about utility. You have to invest into the things that you're going to use. And I get a lot of utility out of a space like this because it checks every box for what I want. I want the pool. I want something that's modern, something that's clean. I like having a gym close by. I like having good food around me. A workspace, it touches all the bases of what we need and it's close to our entire sales team. So this is like the epitome of what we need. And the fact that it's an office plus a place to work, I mean, you really just can't beat that. We're very blessed with the setup. We really do love it. There's some other places in here where I can't take you guys, unfortunately, because we're not allowed to film. But this is basically everything that I wanted to show you guys today. So that's setup. That's what we got going on here. Like I said, I tried to keep the video very real. Not a 25 fucking minute video. You guys see what we have, see what's going on. And then from there, I don't know, you guys assess. Would you like to live in a place like this? Would you want something more upscale? Maybe something a little bit simpler. You don't need all this crap. Whatever, to each their own. This just works for me. At the end of the day, you got to do what works for you. But that's the apartment we just got. And really what I'm most grateful about in moving into this apartment is the fact that 2 years ago, I filmed a video saying, by the time I turn 19, I just want to make $100,000. And we're going to sub this clip in right here. I said, by the time I turn 19 off of our business, I just want to gross in $100,000. And we're not going to stop until we gross 100K. So I wasn't talking about profit. I wasn't talking about any of that. I just wanted to bring in $100,000. Needless to say, we smoked that. The Aston was $125,000. This apartment we paid for cash up front. It was $40-something thousand. And it's not really a big deal because the business grew. We have a ton of income and we're blessed. And I'm in a much better position than I even thought I would be. I was imagining 100,000 would have been a dream. Not even 100,000 a year, just 100,000 total. We're clearing 130,000 a month and we're still just getting started. That's the best part. So the moral of the story is anything's possible. Again, I didn't think this was possible and now we're here and it's kind of like pinch me because it happened. This is what we dreamed about and we're here. And even as I'm here and we acknowledge we kind of did it, we at least achieved some of the biggest goals that we had, which was build a personal brand, get the car and get the apartment. Now we see that there's a next level. For me, I'm not someone that's going to grow stagnant. I know none of us are. I'm not in a situation to where I'm just content and I'm just happy. I'm grateful, but never content. Because once I have contention, that's when I'm dead. Never contention, very grateful for everything that we have, but there's always a next level and who knows where we'll be next year. We're going to spend this year in Jersey. Maybe we'll be in Florida. Maybe we'll be in Texas. Maybe we'll be out of the country. Who knows where we're going to be. Maybe we'll be here renewing because we loved it so much for another year. You never know. That being said, that's the tour. That was everything. I showed you guys the gym, showed you guys some of the office spaces, the rooms, the actual apartment in itself, and that's what we got. So I'll see you guys in the next video. This is a video just to show some lifestyle. If you want to get this shit, you need to focus on the tactical content that we put out and the real implementation of that. Because the gurus are going to show you a lot of glamour, but you need to see the raw reality and the real of how you can actually achieve those things and get to where you want to get to. And on this channel, that's where you're going to find it. You're going to find the raw content. You're going to see exactly what we're actually doing because we're giving it all away. Now go work.